Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Yadav. I am a mechanical engineer. I completed my BTech from BIT Hasi. So today I want to teach you rectilinear motion in the mechanics. Okay, so let's start from the definition of the mechanics. Mechanics is the branch of physics which deals with the cause and effect. Which deals with cause and effect. 1 minute. Okay, we deal with the cause and effect of the motion of a particle. Okay, means in mechanics we study about the motion and their causes of the particle. Okay, mechanics is divided into two parts. First is statics and second one is dynamics. So what is the statics? Study of forces and their effect on object at rest. Okay, at rest means हम study करते हैं forces and their effect on object when the object is rest. So this come under the statics. Okay, what is dynamic? Same definition. Study of forces and their effect on object in motion, means in this case the object in motion. Okay, object in motion. Okay, object in motion. So this is dynamic. Okay, so now next is what is the dynamic. Okay, dynamics. So study of forces and their motion object in the motion. So dynamics is further classified into two parts. First is kinematics and second is kinetics. Okay, so 1 minute, sorry. So so what is the kinematics? Kinematics, study of motion without going into cause of the motion, means we study about the motion, not force and torque. Okay, so this is come under the kinematics. And in the kinetics, concern about the cause that cause the motion, means that cause the motion, उसकी स्टडी करते हैं. फोर्स एंड टॉर्क की स्टडी करते हैं इसमें काइनेटिक्स में. ओके, there are some definition. What is the motion and what is the rest? Okay, so motion is combined property of the object and observer, means motion is combined property, not a single property. They depend on both object and observer. Without observer, motion is undefined. If the location of the particle change with respect to observer. Okay, if the location of the particle change with respect to observer, then the particle or object in the motion. It does not change the location with respect to observer, then the particle or object in rest. Okay, simple. Now next is rectilinear motion. What is the rectilinear motion? So rectilinear motion is defined motion along a straight line or in 1D. Means the motion is occurring in 1D, one dimension. Then that type of motion is rectilinear motion. Or you can say the motion is along a straight line, not in two dimension, only in a straight line. Okay, and the motion is rectilinear motion. Example, uh, the ant running wire. Okay, so next definition is what is position. Position refer to its location in space, means space में किसी पार्टिकल का स्पेस में क्या लोकेशन है, वो इसकी पोजीशन कहलाती है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन इज shortest distance from initial to final position of particle is displacement. Means if object start run from here and go here, then the shortest distance between initial and final point is the displacement. Okay, ये displacement हो गया shortest distance between initial point and final point, final position. Okay, some point about displacement. Displacement is vector quantities. डिस्प्लेसमेंट वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है, उसका डायरेक्शन होता है एरो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द इनिशियल पॉइंट टू द फाइनल पॉइंट. ओके, यस. So if a particle go to there, then the direction of the displacement is like that. Okay. Okay, head is final point position and tail is the initial position. And displacement can be positive, negative or zero. It's very important, positive, negative or zero. Displacement positive हो सकता है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, जीरो भी हो सकता है, बिकॉज दिस इज द डायरेक्शनल प्रॉपर्टी, इसमें डायरेक्शन होता है वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. सो ये पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, नेगेटिव और जीरो भी हो सकता है. तो डायमेंशन होता है एम पावर जीरो, एल और वन, टी पावर जीरो. ओके. एंड यूनिट इन सी जी एस सेंटीमीटर एंड एन एस आई मीटर ऑब्वियसली. ओके. Now next definition is distance. So what is the distance? The length of actual path. So very important. Actual path between initial and final position of particle in a given time interval is the distance. Means if any particle start from here, go to here, then their actual path, this path, distance of this path is the distance of the particle covered in a given time interval. Not this. This is the displacement, not this. The real path. Okay, this is the real path. So this is the distance or cover. This is the actual distance covered in a given time interval. Okay. If a particle start from here, go here, then the displacement is this. Okay, this is the displacement. But distance cover is this distance, this distance, this distance, this distance, sum of the all distance. Okay.